mad people on the road? What could be the cause?
Thank you for that question. If you look around, you always see many mad people on them insane all over the places. And so many people are asking many questions. What could be the reason for such increase on our stress? The truth of the matter is that one, so many things can cause it. It could be spiritual, it could be health related. And let's start from the health related. Health related is when somebody has something negative going on within the brain. Yes, it could be as a result of drug abuse. Yes, we are living in a world where the youth of nowadays, we hear some youth of nowadays are smoking in their homes, smoking so many type of things, which I can't be able to mention all of them now. Those it's a white Charlie and all those things, cocaine, even so many taking so many things that are harmful to their health. And some people will be arguing. After all, what of the fact that others do take the same thing and then they take improvement? The thing is that our body system are not built the same. And sometimes some of you don't actually feed very well. Some people feed very, very well, and from time to time they know how to detoxify. And sometimes some of them are well comfortable people. But when you see small, small children that have not seen anything in life, they begin so early. You might tell me that there was some drug barons, some people that are abusing those drugs even in America. Some of them are abusing it when they are already adult enough. But in our society today, you see children of 12 years, 15 years going into hard drugs. Believe in me, once you go into hard drugs, you will cry. Yes. Some people do to go into hard drugs because going into hard drugs has so many negative. For me, I don't see any gain in it. So then I can tell you those people that their cause of their problem is health related. A few in number. A few are in number. Yes. It's either so if somebody is misbehaving, what you should do is first of all take the person to psychiatrist, yes, for medical examination to know if the person must subject to questioning to ascertain whether the person is taking any hard drugs. Now, if it prove abortive that the person is not taking any hard drugs, then and then it comes to where somebody can check if it's hereditary in their family. Now, there's some families that they have this trace of that problem, mental problem in their family. It runs there. That they will tell you, oh, their grandfather, oh, their grandmother, oh, their siblings, oh, this and that. Then they have begin to trace the cause from the root. That has to do with spiritual angle to it too. We know exactly what it could be the problem. So it's the work of the experts to ascertain too. But when somebody is misbehaving, they take the person to health facility, psychiatric people, and after examination, they said, no, this person is not drug addict. And again, they can't even find whatever is the cause of their main behavior. Then that is where the spiritual comes in. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-eme onye ahụ ala ala, o nwere ndị ala dị na be ha. Yes. Ịma na akụkọ m ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-enwere ọnya kpatara mgbe gboo. People do get married based on bloodline. Because now agbụrụ means bloodline. So, but nowadays, enwere ọya ndị na-aya. Enwere agbụrụ ka m gwa one thing, enwere some sickness bụ dị genetic in nature. Example, or if you have become diabetic today, they will ask you, in your mother's side, is there anybody suffering such thing? In your father, they will ask you. Yes, all these things are genetic. Do you know even having twins is genetic? I want some family that say that feeling from doctors say, you're pregnant, yes. In your father's side, in your mother's side, they need all those documentation. Now, upon a family give family diabetic, then you have to start on time, because if they say a stitch in time saves nine, to prevent it. So ọ bụrụ na your family has this problem, ọ bụrụ na the problem has to do with mental, and that problem is health problem, maybe being addicted to hard drugs, I will advise you to run away from anything hard drugs. If you need the smallest one, or you people call Igbo, run from it, because oke soro ngwere ma mmiri ọkọcha ngwere ọma aka oke ka abụ ofu. Then ọ bụrụ na ya family ha awụ, mana the problem na-eme bụ na-ejego health wise nwere ebe afro the problem. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ ala ndị ọnwụ nke a na-akpọ ala ndị ọgba nje, mana ọ na-eme n'ụdị n'ụdị. Nwe ndị bụ echeta amụrụ ya, ọ nọgide otu smile, o nwerekwa onye na-atụ ya ọsọ echeta amụrụ ya ka anyị na-akpọ ndị a. So enwe ndị nke bụ they keep talking to themselves. Ọ na-eme n'ụdị dị iche iche. So whatever it is, it could be spiritual, it could be health challenge. However, if it's spiritual, I can tell you a solution. But the problem now, early detection will be of great help. For some people, whenever they detect it from childhood, as the child is growing, they start isolating the child, but saying, yeah, this is they will begin to avoid. Instead of taking the child to a spiritualist that understand how to handle such a situation, what they will do, they will begin to take that child to prayer houses. When you take that child to the prayer houses, you are committing more harm to that particular child, believe in me. Because even if that child is your banje, believe in me, the church has no solution to it. These deliverance churches have no solution. They can't, believe in me. Tell me anybody that has such spiritual problem and you keep taking them to maybe mountain of fire and rest of them, and they become well, it can't. Yes, some of them, if you go there, they subject the person to sleeping tablets. Yes, so they cool for a while, after some time you start again. But if you want to solve the problem permanently, go to the root. Find out his or her root that is causing that problem. Appease with them and it will go permanently. That's the only solution. Yes. Because on those here now, have you asked yourself that why the person is talking about? Yes, there's some, we know that some people take hard drugs. Once they take hard drugs, their brain will begin to malfunction. If they begin to malfunction, they'll begin to be hearing some strange voices. Onye nke gwara m sị m na ọ bụ na ya ṅụsịa ya dị very high. Ya fụ onye aṅụrụ ya na na-afụta onye asị Jew guy. The drug will begin to talk to him, to her. As a woman, talking to her that look at this person, onye awụ onye mgbu. Onye is ignorant person. Understand? So they begin to, because someone spirit not behind. Don't you know that name when I hear? And spirits, negative spirits that not behind those I hear and onye na kana wara help. Mana and agwa gị maka ndị nke bụ has to do with the spiritual ndot. The only solution is to after spiritual exercise, you'll be able to know exactly the ndot. Who know and just settle them. Make peace with them. Believe in me, the person will be permanently healed. So, but I can tell you based on my experience that greater percentage of those people we see out there, majority of them is caused by spiritual related stuff. Thank you.